Hi, my name is Greg Easter from Nature's Pick Photography, and I'm going to show you my way of doing water drops. First off, I went to the dollar store and I bought a couple simple things. Dish pan, black preferably, fill it up to the top, and I bought Mylar paper. Mylar paper is a wrapping paper that when you bend it different ways, you can see the color of the rainbow. It looks pretty cool. Now, my camera is, I have a 180mm macro lens, and with a cable release, I have a Canon EOS 1 Mark II. I have an off-camera flash, that's my Pocket Wizard, and my settings. My settings are manual, and I have an ISO of around 100, anywhere between 100 and 200. My aperture is set anywhere between 11 to 16, more towards 11. My shutter speed, 250 to start with. Now, when you start doing this, you're going to want to go up and down and all around and do different things with your settings on the camera. Now, I do have the hole already poked in my baggie of water that's hanging from a boom. Okay, now, how I focus this. I take a pencil and I put it right where the water drop is hitting the water. And I get behind my camera and I zoom, and in manual I zoom it into that pencil. And then I take it away. Now, I got my settings, my water's dripping, let's make some water drops. Oh, another thing. Oh, let's turn the light back on. When I do these water drops, I do it in very low light. The only light is behind me. It's over the kitchen sink, but I can still see the water drops hitting the water. Okay, let me turn the lights off again. I have one light behind me. I take my off-camera flash and I angle it, hitting the backdrop, not the water, but the backdrop. With my cable release in hand, I can still see the water drops hitting the water. I try to get a rhythm going. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Now, you can take this and you can put this anywhere you want to try and get different results. I'll try it a couple more times and then we'll see what we have. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Okay. Let's see what we have.